CSS battle time. Let's do the letter A. Today's CSS battle brought to you by the letter A. Alright. I will put in the description how this goes. I have a feeling I have a plan. Let's see if it works. Let's start a timer. My thought is, I think if we do this as like something with border radius, right? I might have to do a slightly different border radius down here than up here. But we do this shape, and then that's the HTML, and then we shrink the body to be this shape, you know. And so we should be able to have the same border radiuses on everything and just some margins going. So I do want to do border 30 pixels solid, and it's going to be, there we go, border radius, let's go 2-inch. I think the bottom is going to have to be different, but we'll see what we have to do to make that happen. Yeah, you know what, I'm gonna hide the body for the moment so I can just focus on one thing at a time. Margin. Let's turn on the diff, get this margin down, and then see what we're doing. 50, more than that, 70, no, 60, okay. Oops. 100. Okay, there we go, and yeah, we need a different border radius on the bottom. Okay, let's see, 1M, really weird, no, 2-inch, 1M, 1M, okay. 6, 7, 8, okay. So I can do 8M on that. I don't mind that. It's still one character to describe it. Well, and then all the stuff. If I did percentage, it would be a little bit bad. It would be about the same, but I could get rid of a space. I wonder if I should do percentage on this. 20%. I mean, that looks pretty good. 20%. That does not look good. 40, 50, 60. Oh, that's not going to work. So I can do it on one of them. No, I can't do it on one of them. I was looking at the wrong thing. I was looking at the wrong corner. I don't know why. That's silly. It's right there next to it on the same screen. Alright. I'm just going to leave that for now. There's probably better ways to do that. Okay. The body's way over there because the margin is all weird. Let's reset that. Oops. 0. There we go. Alright, so we're going to go like 50 on the top, 0 on the sides, and 0 on the bottom. Okay. So we're going to do -30 on the sides. It's poking out one side, not the other. And I think -30 on the bottom. Oh, I see. And so now I think our border radius just needs to be the 8M. Let's look at it. Does that work? Okay, we just need to increase the top margin. That's what we need to do. Maybe I'm wrong and I just needed to get the top margin right. Let's take that out. Okay, that's not right. 70, that's right. And yeah, I need a different border radius on this. Okay, let's see if we go 1-inch. 1-inch. That's not enough up there. Okay. Alright, let's just write a new border radius for the moment, and I will figure this out. Well, that actually seems decent. 31, 30. Okay, that seems pretty good. And my thought is I can then box shadow and block, you know, we're gonna go like negative 30 pixels, negative 30 pixels. It's not quite enough. Let's go 50, and then 45. No, 50 is right. You have a little triangle right down there that I'm worried about, but I could expand the radius, and that would make things easier. Let's make the color the right color. Let's hit submit. Let's just see how far away we are. I will expand the radius first before I explore other things. This other border radius down here seems like an issue. We're good. We're good. We don't have to worry about that little corner. Okay, I like that. I know this is not going to be top 10. I think it has good potential. We have to go negative 50 pixels. That doesn't always reduce down nicely. Let's go 55Q, 54, 53. Let's see if that works. Always waiting. Okay, that still works. All right. We can lose a space there and there. These. So my border radius, I'm going from these values to 1 inch. I could do a variable. I wonder what this would be in M as well. Say 14M, right? 15, 16, nope, 13, 12. Okay, let's see. I mean, I'm adding a character there, but then can we just say font 0.5a, 0.4, 0.3, 0.2. What's happening? Nothing's really happening. 0.6, 0.7. Okay. Why am I not seeing any changes? Is it because of my box shadow? Yeah, it's my box shadow is what's changing now because I used 5CH. So let's change this back and just see what... Okay. Oh, I know why. I need... a value? No, nothing's changing. So border radius is font based with M here. I'm using font in the body to try to adjust that. Okay. Okay. Oh, now I understand. I see why that's not going to work because I have different values that are adjusting at different rates. I can get maybe one of them right, but I can't get both of them. Wow, interesting. So, yeah, 0.2, we get closer, and then yeah. Okay, that won't work. I mean, could work if I did characters, like, you know, CH or line height here, and then did, you know, so then I had the two values for font, then I could do that. I could absolutely do that if I had the previewer set up. But all of my CSS battle time is like right here, and I'm always loath to take the time to set up infrastructure like I should. It would make things so much easier. So let's get rid of that. Let's go back to our 2-inch and our border radius of 1 inch. So So right now we're at 219. Let's see if we var r, oh, dash dash r, comma. Okay. Okay. 218. We saved one character by taking out border radius with a variable. It's not great. Yeah, so not a top 10 solution. There's some things, obvious things that need to be fixed. Like not writing two border radiuses. The box shadow, I think that's a solid move. Oh, let's see if we can get away with Q here as well. Let's go 32Q. Let's hit submit. See if that works. We're good. All right, let's minify the rest of the way and call it a day. Oops. All the wrong buttons. Okay, 155. It's something. It's good enough. But cool. I hope you're having fun with this. I hope maybe you can do the whole line height thing and make this even better. All right. Have a good day.